Hey everyone, welcome back to National Park Vibes. And today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone facing the cold. Top 5 winter survival kits. Inspired by your feedback on my last video, where we explored essential survival items, I decided to shift the focus to everyday carry gear for winter environments. Whether you're braving harsh conditions outdoors or prepping for unexpected cold weather emergencies, this video will showcase some of the best kits and key items to help you stay prepared, warm, and safe. Let's jump in and get started. 1. Hihegd 250 PCS Survival Gear First Aid Kit. This is a remarkable assortment of crucial items designed for both emergencies and daily use. This all-inclusive kit features a wide range of first aid essentials, survival tools, and equipment that can be incredibly helpful during winter adventures. I've brought this winter survival kit along on multiple camping trips, and it has been extremely beneficial. The first aid supplies include everything from adhesive bandages to antiseptic wipes, making it easy to address minor injuries right away. The survival gear contains useful items like a whistle, fire starter, and multi-tool, which can be critical in emergency scenarios. What I appreciate the most about this kit is how well organized it is. Everything is neatly stored in a sturdy carrying case that fits conveniently in my backpack or the trunk of car. 2. Vetoos Car Roadside Emergency Kit. The Vetoos Car Roadside Emergency Kit is an essential companion for winter driving, offering a wide range of tools and supplies to address common roadside emergencies. This well-organized kit includes jumper cables, a tire inflator, a reflective warning triangle, and first aid supplies, all designed to help in situations like flat tires, snow-related issues, or minor injuries. The kit's compact design is a major plus, easily fitting in your car's trunk without taking up much space. It's the perfect way to ensure you're prepared for unexpected situations while driving in winter conditions, providing peace of mind and a sense of security on icy, unpredictable roads. 3. Luxmom 142 PCS Professional Winter Survival Kits. For those looking for a professional-grade option, the Luxmom 142 PCS Professional Survival Kit offers an extensive selection of gear tailored for emergencies. This kit combines essential first aid supplies with survival tools, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This winter survival kit includes items like thermal blankets, water purification tablets, and emergency food rations. Everything you need to survive if you get caught out in the cold. The thermal blankets are especially useful for retaining body heat when temperatures drop. What I appreciate about the Luxmom kit is its versatility. It's not just for car emergencies, but also suitable for camping trips or even home preparedness. The durable carrying case makes it easy to transport, ensuring you're always ready for whatever nature throws your way. 4. Kitgo Camping First Aid Kit with 113 PCS camping tool and medical supplies. The Kitgo Camping First Aid Kit is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, combining medical essentials with practical camping tools in one compact package. With 113 carefully selected items, this winter survival kit ensures you're ready to handle minor injuries and tackle common camping challenges with ease. What sets the Kitgo First Aid Kit apart is its outdoor-specific focus. It's thoughtfully designed with campers in mind, ensuring that every item serves a purpose in the wilderness. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day in nature, this kit provides the peace of mind that you're well prepared to stay safe and healthy while exploring the great outdoors. 5. Taimasi 238 PCS Emergency Survival Kit and First Aid Kit. The Taimasi kit merges a detailed first aid kit with crucial survival tools designed for emergencies. This extensive assortment of supplies guarantees that you're ready for various scenarios while enjoying winter outdoor activities. I've taken this winter survival kit on multiple camping excursions where the temperatures dropped unexpectedly. The first aid components include everything from bandages to burn ointment, enabling me to quickly manage minor injuries. Furthermore, the survival gear includes items like a fire starter, whistle, and multi-tool, ideal for any outdoor escapade. Its sturdy carrying case allows for easy transportation and storage without occupying too much space. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you'd like more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below.